Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam and my channel is Pamela's Creations. I'm glad you're joining me today. I got my Crochet Society box number 19 in Friday, I think. So I'm super excited. This is my second box. I can't wait to open it on camera with you guys. So I'm going to pause you so it can be pointed down so you guys can see what's in the box. So 1 second. All right, here is my box. And I'm going to open it. This is the second time I've filmed this, so that's why the box is open. But let's take a look inside and see what we got in here. I haven't opened all the way through yet, so let's do this. So I noticed she has her name on this. And this is a confection DK. It's super soft. 100% acrylic, and let's see here if I can, there we go, 50 grams and 110 meters, and this is Ice Pop, and so I'll set those there, you can see it. And then confection is DK, and this one is called Color Candy Floss. And then we got this one here, and this is called, oops, get focused here, Sugar Mouse. And then this one here, look at that, I like that blue. Blueberry, which are my favorite, by the way. Gosh, we got quite a bit of yarn in here. And this one is Elderberry. Isn't that nice? And then the last one is, I like that yellow. Okay, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Lemon Drops. I like lemon too. Alright, so let's spread this out a little bit more. So I put this up a little bit. I love the fact that this is covered in paper. Super nice. How do I stretch this out? There we go. So I got some fiber fill. Interesting. Okay. And we got some safety eyes in here. I have a feeling it's a plushie of some sort. Okay. Ooh, my favorite. I collect crochet hooks. So this is a 3.75. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that pretty? It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the way it feels. Feels good on my hands. What else did we get? Oh, look at this. Oh, this is nice. My Crochet Year. Look at this book. Wow. What's it say? Has little inspiring things on here. Oh, how neat. And this is a good book. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is awesome. I'm going to really enjoy filling that out. Let's see here. And then you get the it gives you the hook size conversions and the UK correct terms as well, which I know those anyway. But it gives you the UK and the US. Awesome. I got this pin. How cute is that? Pin badge. So adorable. Let's see here. Oh, look at these stickers. These like the plan stickers. I bet they go in that book. To do, crochet all day, don't forget. Yeah, so these are probably reminders and stuff. That's pretty cool. So you get 2 sheets, it looks like. Or no, you get one 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then you get a book. Ooh, how pretty is that? Oh, yes, for sure. So it looks like, let's take a look here. So it looks like you make this. Oh, how exciting. Probably not really to fit me, but I would love to make it for my daughter. It's called Estelle Shrug by Natalie McHale. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I'm going to enjoy making that. And then there's other patterns in here. You know, a cushion, which I have a pillow. What I like about her patterns is and then here's this little cloud you can do too. Oh, how cute is that? She has video tutorials on her thing. And then there's a little treat yourself with receive a luxury box of crochet goodies every month from the Crochet Society, and as little as $14.99 per month. But I think that is UK money. I think I pay 40 something for mine, 41 or 42. And I just noticed a beautiful stitch marker. How adorable is that? Look at that. Awesome. So that is my subscription box for the month. I was really excited about what I was going to get in it, you know. So you can see all that. And let's get the rest of it out over here. Stickers. Oh, I'm really excited over this. Look at this. There's so much you can do. And then the beautiful hook. I love the hook. Pretty colors. All right. Okay, friends, that is my box 19. If you haven't already, can you please subscribe to my channel? Share me out, or you could tell people about my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I do more than just one craft. I do diamond paintings, and I make jewelry, paper crafts, and stuff like that. So if you could share me out, tell people about my channel. I'm trying to grow, and I think YouTube is deleting some of my subscribers, so I would greatly appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. I would love that. All right, everyone, take care of yourself, be safe, please, and God bless.